If Steam is giving you error code 5, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 quick fixes that can solve the problem fast. We'll start by repairing your Steam library folder, and then we'll check your file permissions to make sure Windows is not blocking Steam from working properly. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and it can save you a lot of time if Steam is failing to update, install, or access your games. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam on your PC. Once Steam is open, go to the top left corner and click Steam, then choose Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Storage section. This is where Steam manages your installed games and library folders. On the storage page, you should see your drive listed with a 3-dot menu next to it. Click those 3 dots and then select Repair Folder. Steam will begin checking the library folder for any issues and will try to fix them automatically. If the folder has become corrupted or has a small access problem, this repair step can often clear it up right away. Give Steam a few moments to finish the repair process. Once it's done, try launching your game or restarting your download to see if the error is gone. If Steam error code 5 is still showing up, the next thing we need to do is check your file permissions in Windows. This is important because even if Steam itself is working, Windows may be preventing it from reading or writing files properly. To do that, open File Explorer and go to your Steam installation folder. In most cases, that will be C:\program files x86 \Steam. If you installed Steam somewhere else, go to that location instead. When you find the Steam folder, right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click the Security tab. Here, you'll see a list of user accounts and the permissions assigned to each one. Select your user account from the list, then make sure that full control is allowed. If full control is not checked, click Edit and adjust the permissions so your account has full access. This allows Steam to properly read, write, and modify the files it needs. After changing the permissions, click Apply, then OK to save everything. If Windows asks for administrator confirmation, approve it so the changes can take effect. Now restart Steam and test the issue again. In many cases, repairing the library folder and fixing folder permissions is enough to stop Steam error code 5 completely. If you still have trouble, you may want to restart your PC and run Steam as an administrator as an extra step, but these 2 fixes are the main ones to try first. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Steam troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.